In this video, we'll be showing you how to download a file from a URL and store it in a Google Cloud Storage bucket. Let's dive right in. We're going to start this video inside of Shipyard, inside the Fleet Builder here. I'm going to go ahead and search for our HTTP blueprints. You can see we can click on the blueprint that says download file from URL. So I'm going to click that, which is going to create a vessel over here in our Fleet Builder, as well as pop up some instructions and some information here. I'm going to go ahead and close that. I can name my vessel download photo from URL. Okay, so that's all. It's just going to ask us for the file URL here, and so I'm just going to download this Wally wallpaper here. So I can take the URL, copy it, paste it in here, name my file wally.jpg. I can leave custom headers and folder name blank for now. You can include those if your specific use case needs those two items. So our first vessel is set up here. We can also set up email notifications for failures or completions of on-demand runs, as well as guardrails for number of retries, time between retries, and runtime cutoff as well if you need those. So this vessel looks like it's good to go. So let's go ahead and set up our vessel to upload this file to Google Cloud Storage. So we can search for that. We're going to upload files to Google Cloud Storage. Click that. It's going to pop up and ask if you want to view the authorization guide. We will not do that for right now. I'll rename this vessel upload Wally wallpaper. Okay, so we did not put our file on a local folder, so we'll leave it blank here. We have wally.jpg. You're going to put your bucket name in here. So ours is Shipyard Solutions Internal. We're gonna put it in the Wally_photo folder. Of course, you can set these up however you want to keep your bucket as organized as you want it to be. The file name, I'm just gonna leave it blank since it'll just grab the file name from what it is inside of Shipyard currently. And the last thing I need is my service account, so I can copy and paste that in there. So this vessel also looks like it's good to go. I can connect those together. And then I can go down here and click save and finish. But before I click save and finish, I want to name my fleet. So I'm going to name it HTTP with an arrow to Google Cloud Storage. Okay, so now our fleet is named and set up properly. So now we can click save and finish. This is going to take us over to a page that tells us that the fleet has been created successfully. In just a moment, as you can see here, then we're going to go ahead and click run your fleet to kick off an on-demand run here. So this is going to take us over into the fleet log page to kind of show the results of the run as it happens in real time. But you can also kick your fleet off using our triggers option. So we have two triggers. We have a scheduling trigger where you can schedule it to run every hour based on the minutes. You can weekly, daily, monthly as well. And then we also have an API trigger where you can call the API to kick off your fleet as well. So you can see this took us over to the fleet log page here with the Gantt chart showing the status of each vessel as it runs. You can see the download photo vessel is already complete, and you can see that it currently downloaded the file from that website. It successfully downloaded it, and then it even tells you the size of that file as well. If I go back to my fleet log, you can see that upload Wally wallpaper vessel is also complete. So I can pop over into our Google Cloud Storage bucket here inside our Wally folder. And you can see we just uploaded that at 406. It's 407. If I click into that, you're even going to see the photo that we have here as well. So there's that Wally wallpaper that we saw earlier from the web page. So in this video, we talked about how you can download a file from a URL and then upload it to a Google Cloud Storage bucket.
If you have any questions about this solution or any other potential solution, use the link in the description to set up a time to chat with our team of data experts. You can go to shipyardapp.com to start building powerful workflows just like this for free. Want to see us tackle more solutions? Check out these related videos.